With 10.47 crores on day 1, Ras 3 gets a very good opening and the Bhatts just couldn't wait to start the party. Welcome to Zoom. And who's the happiest person here right now?
We're competing for the number one
Yes.
space, who's the happiest. But I think we think Imran is the happiest.
Yeah, he's not
As I
well.
spoke to him, even his otherwise very slow, sluggish voice had a lot of life and vitality.
Yeah.
I think he's jumping with joy because with this, as you know, we come into that category of 15
Elite
top
films.
movies.
Yeah.
But these films are made 3 times at the cost of what we make our films. We make small, big films which have big an idea. So we are very, very happy that our product, which has been made at a very, very sane price tag, has found such a phenomenal opening.
What do you have to say to that?
I mean, everyone, in fact, when I entered here, so Fox people are telling me, it's everyone's biggest hit and, it's your biggest hit in the career. And I'm like, yes, I'm really happy about it because after Jannat, this has taken like a huge opening and I think the pressure on everyone was a lot. So at least I'm a little relieved. At least I'm like, okay, in front of Bipasha and Imran and everyone else, at least I also stand this. I'm glad about it.
Because Dirty Pictures, which was rated as the biggest winner, opened with 8.85.
Yeah.
This is with 10.50. So I
Yeah.
think it is, we have reasons to
Celebrate.
uncork the champagne and cut the cake.
Yeah.
What about you? The pressure was so much on you.
Well, for me, I think what's speaking volumes is that the reason I did the film was the human drama, the character of Shania. I wanted a new kind of heroine on screen. I wanted to play that after these 10 years of being in the business. And my plea was to Bhatt Saab that I need a film like that, and he delivered. It's stupendous, it's huge. There is not one place where people are not liking the film, not getting entertained. People love the human drama. People love the fact that, people feel like this. And every single person has appreciated my performance. As a greedy actor, today I feel fulfilled. And I know, I said this during my promotion of the film, at this point of time, I'm extremely fiery. I am out there and I want every single strong role that is there in the market, and I'm going to deliver every time.
I can so imagine you, with a whip right now.
Yeah. I have the whip, I have the water also.
But it's very weird, people are abusing Imran. I went to the theatre and some auntie walked up to me and she's like, that chap did really wrong to you. First he poisoned you and then he's kissing you. And I'm like, okay, that's not really like how it works. But at least I like it.
These opinions are so important.
Yeah.
There was one auntie who I didn't know. She walked out of the theatre, actually came to me and she said, Beta, what a mind-blowing performance. And then she said, Mujhe aapko thoda sa ek thappad lagana. Then I said, Auntie, laga lo. Then she said, no, I want to bless you that you have done such a fabulous job. So playing such a dark role and being loved by elderly people also,
Yeah.
I think it's fab.
And especially women, like though it's a horror
Yeah.
film, but even women are liking because the emotion element that they put. And for me, now that I saw the film the 3rd, 4th time, I watched it as a film, not just seeing what I've done right or wrong. And I think Bipasha,
film.
especially for me, the character that she played, I don't think anyone else would have done it, I mean, I'm not sure if I would have done it in that stage of my career where she is on the top, It's not like she's not on the top, but the role that she's playing is very different than where she is.
People are also saying that after Ekta Tiger, there is this Bengal tigress who's like roaring on the box office.
Well, I would like to actually take a little bit of the charm that Mr. Salman Khan has, and he's called the tiger for reasons. And if I'm called the tigress and I can even be 10% there, and being a woman, I think it's fab. And I've been called the Bengal tigress for a long time. I think it's time to roar.
I would like to play Party Pooper just for a minute.
Yeah.
Some people are complaining that though the movie is called Raz, there's no Raz in the end. So what do you have to say about that?
Really?
Well, I think
What
those
did you
who do not think there's a Raz need to see the film again, and those thick people who don't understand this
need to watch it again,
to get
yeah.
their hearts, open to this message, because beyond the sensation lives the truth of the heart, and it resonates loud and strong in the climax of the film. So those people need to go and hear it and see it and feel it and practice that creed in their life.
You were saying something.
No, I just said this is it's a secret of life. It has. That's why we are talking about. Every film comes with a story of its own. The strength here is the human drama, the human emotion, the feelings of. And Shania is not just one person. She stands for all human beings in life. She just takes the dark path. Does not mean that she doesn't feel that what others feel. So you have to take away from the film where you're talking about a very, very basic human emotion. And there are people who understand it. But Bhatsab, I disagree with that. The fact that everyone is empathizing with the character of Shania and everyone's staying with her so much and everyone's loving my performance is because they get it.
Also, every generation has a yardstick of measuring success. Earlier it was Silver Jubilee, Golden Jubilee. Now it's the 100 crore club. Do we see Rastri going there?
Well, right now for us, I think we are amongst the elite 16 and we are very happy to have opening figures which is so big. It's bigger than the biggest films which have been critiqued in today's point of time. Especially, strong roles done by women. Point in case, Dirty Picture. I think, so I think we don't need to worry much about it. And we are going to reach wherever we are meant to be. And what's nice is that we have made a fine film. And there's a lot of emotional attachment that we all have with it. And the people who spend money and go to the theatre, these are the people we want to satisfy. And we are getting that.
Also, Bipasha, when a heroine carries a movie on her shoulders and it does very well on the box office, the expectations just go like up. So, are you going to be very careful about the next step that you're going to take? Like, what are you feeling right now? Where from here you're planning to go?
Well, I need to be very thoughtful because, like I said and before also, actor's life is full of struggle. I have seen a lot of lows, I've seen a lot of highs, and I have reached a phase where I definitely am aggressively looking out for very feisty, strong roles for women. At the same time, I'm looking for these roles in commercially entertaining films where I get eyeballs and my films make money. So I don't want to just do a role like this in a so-called art film where no one is going to watch my film and everyone will say, wow, what amazing acting. So for me at this point of time, I have to be very careful because I want numbers and I want a meaty role.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was the team from Rastri with cameraman Pramod Kirtarang, Zoom Mumbai.
Hi, this is Vivan. Subscribe to Zoom TV's channel on YouTube and zoom into fresh Bollywood news and entertainment. Just visit www.youtube.com/ZoomTV.